Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I'll tell you and show you how we do aggregation in MongoDB. So to start with that, I'll just briefly explain what MongoDB aggregation gives us. So aggregation provides us operations, a group of values from multiple documents together and can perform variety of operations on group data to return a single result. So this is similar to, so if we compare this to SQL, a traditional SQL. So aggregation is an example could be like count of stars, which gives us with group of something. So this gives us the count of number of rows of that particular group. So I'll be doing the same thing here. So what I'll do is, so what I've done here is my DB book is a database, and in that I've created my collection called as aggregation, and it already has the schema. So I'll just analyze this for you. So this already, yes, so this should have the schema already present, and these are the column names. So we can also call them the key titles. And here we can see that 1,000 documents are being returned. So as we discussed in our first video. So I'll just go to the tab next to schema, which is aggregations, and in this we can do aggregation. So I've already made this for you because so as to save some time in this video, and I'll just briefly explain, and I'll explain everything what is actually happening here. So first aggregation will do by using a match. So when we use, so what we can do is we can just press dollar and then we can write match. So by using match, what it does is it will fetch us all the documents in which the type is novel. So here we can see these are all the documents in which the type is novel. So nothing apart from that. So this we can say that this is a kind of a filter which we are using. The second thing which we will do is we'll add a stage after this, and I've already added the stage. So after match, what we will do is we'll group it. So we'll group it using an object called ID, and this object will have a key value pair. So suppose in this I want the ID to contain two objects. So the first is the book title and the second one is the book type. So what it will happen is it will store a key value pair of title and type, right? And then I also want to group it by using maximum number of pages, and I'll just use a function called $max, and it will give me the group of maximum number of pages in here, and it should give us the result in here. So this will actually group us by using ID and the maximum number of page. While when we talk about this ID, so here we can see it is an object because this basically contains a key value pair of book title and book type, and we can even see that if we run our results in MongoDB shell. Now the third will be sorting. So what I'll do is I'll just use sorting. So sorting is basically similar to what we use order by in SQL. So I'll use this, that sorted by the ID in ascending order. So this is what happens, or maybe we can just use max pages. So even this should work. Just try to run this. Okay, so this works, right? So it will list us all the, so previously what we saw is, maybe we can also see this by descending order. So what we can do is we can just put here -1, and this should result us in a descending order. So we can just see the maximum pages, and it just changes when we do it. So +1 is for ascending and the -1 is for descending. So basically what we are doing is we are creating pipes. So we are funneling it down. So first we search all the results, all the documents which matches the type novel. Then we group it by using object ID and maximum number of pages, which is a data type. and then we sort the results, whether ascending or descending, depending on what attribute you're having. So this is what aggregation is. Thank you so much.